Hello, Dr. Francis Stein reporting from the Centre for Zombie Control, CZC. Today's date is the 25th of May 2016 and this video diary will update on our research from the CZC on the zombie virus. I am the head zombie scientist. Our research shows that this zombie virus is in fact very complex, and I'll attempt to explain what we know about the virus thus far. The way I'll need to explain that is to explain the way that normal human functioning occurs, and I'd like to take a moment to speak about the brain. Now I'll use this hand model of the brain to explain to you the way that the human brain functions, and then I'll explain the way the zombie brain functions. So if you imagine that this part here is the brain, here is the brain stem. The brain stem sends messages to our body to run, to our desires to eat, and to our basic messaging to around our body. This part here is the main part of the brain. At the back is the hippocampus. It is not a hippo, as the lady on CNN tried to say. At the front here is the prefrontal cortex, also nothing to do with KFC. The PFC is responsible for our human functioning. It's what makes us human. It makes us responsible for our good decision making and is our very functioning part of our brain. If you imagine under here is our flipping part, is where the amygdala is. The amygdala is responsible for our fight, flight and freeze. These are important functions that all humans need to do in an emergency, especially when faced with zombies, and I'll provide more information about that in a later video diary. That's the normal human functioning brain. The way the zombie virus works is that it impacts this PFC part here. The zombies want you to flip this part and become infected, only responding using your amygdala, your fight, flight and freeze. They want you to be 100% zombified, to be only fighting, chasing brains, to be only freezing and becoming a catatonic state, or to be fleeing and running. We need to know more information about how to re-engage the PFC and to become human. We need to understand the antidote to this complex virus and infection. I look forward to providing more updates as we get more information on resolving this zombie crisis. Thank you for watching.